Very, very important substitutions. As I said, I'll be clubbing up all 2 marks and 3 marks questions. Maybe like a given model, something, per se, a given 3 mark session. But this will become very helpful for even 2 marks problems also. 2 marks and 3 marks problems also. Getting? So, usually the important substitutions are like this is the second session. In the last class we have discussed. The first one is this one. So there is some expression root of 1 minus x square and something like this. And this one. See, you have to be very. Hey, listen. Please don't open the books, man. Don't open the books. It doesn't mean that you should close the books. Allah. You'll not. See, it is not like inverse trigonometric functions. Whenever and wherever you find these expressions, root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 plus x square, root of x square minus 1, either tuck on the flash above nimge. If flash above only when you are addicted to these things, you have to addict. You have to get familiar with the things. So familiarity ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ consistent ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you'll get this consistency. That is important. Okay. So whenever you find these expressions, root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 plus x square, root of x square minus 1, we substitute something into that in the place of x. Okay, simplification ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Then as I said, complex ಇರೋದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡೋದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Something like complex. See, complex it is not in terms of size. Not in terms of size. Now I'll just write 2 problems. I'll write 2 problems. Not in simple everything. Which is complex to differentiate. This one is little complex to differentiate. This is not complex to differentiate. Howda? Differentiation of x square, that's a easy task. But this is not an easy task. In the sense, then don't do difficult and Allah, you have to take log, use property, like bit working. So complex, this is complex than this one. But in terms of physical appearance, they look like, okay, fine, same size. So whenever I just use the word like converting the complex into simple, you should not tell, sir, if you store this, will cut, make it simple. No, it's not about cutting. It's about making the expression simple. ಇಡೀ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದೇ ಇದು. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು whenever you find these expressions, I'll tell you a simple task. Sine and cos are like they're like they are paired up. They are in relationship. ಯಾವ relationship ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ? Sine and cos. Very easy to remember. ಯಾವ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ ಈಗ? Sine and cos. They both are engaged. Secant and tan are engaged. See, usually the confusion goes in this way. Tan ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ. ಕಾಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾನಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕಾಟ್. ಯೂಶಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ tan ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಕಾಟ್. ಸೈನ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಕಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan and cot are something like brothers and sisters. They can't pair. They are not in relationship. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Like secant and what? Tan. They are engaged. Sine and cos are engaged. Whenever I ask you something like 1 minus sine square theta, just sine ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಕಾಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರೋದು tan. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದೇನ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್? ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸ್, tan. ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ tan cot ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ tan. have this clarity. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೈನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಟ್. Everything is positive. Everything is positive. Substitute what? Tan theta. ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ SI and there is no meaning. What is SI and it is nothing. It will get life or it will be called as some function only when you put some variable. So variable is the heart of the function. But SI there is no meaning. You should write sine of x, sine of y. See, this is a very practical which I've observed in many students. When I say sin x, you say sin x function. Sin y, it's a weird thing. 50-50 ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು sin y. ನೋ ಈ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಸೊ sin ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. sin x, okay, sin y, okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin of the variable x, sin it is in terms of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin it is in terms of y. ಹೌದೇನು? So that we should remember. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ secant theta. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು? secant theta substitution. 2 points ಹೇಳಿದೆ. x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ sin theta. Sin or cos. You remember sin. Enough for me. Enough. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು tan ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇನ್ ಕೋರ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, sin, everything positive, tan. Third case, secant. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. Okay, so what happens when you put sin theta? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x negative, sensing man, everyone. X negative ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು? x equal to sin theta ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. x ಆಗದಲ್ಲಿ sin theta ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? root of 1 minus sin square theta. Anything related to sin, the formula will be like cos. 1 minus cos square theta is, sin square theta is what? Root of cos square theta. Cos. When everything is positive, tan. X equal to what? Tan theta. Root of 1 plus tan square theta. Tan again pair. Secant. Root of 1 plus tan square theta. Remember what is 1 plus tan? 1 plus tan can't do secant by yourself. Secant square. Remember to write square. Root of secant square theta. Secant. In third case, in examination, like x is negative sin. No, x is not negative. When everything is positive, tan. Third case, you have to put x is equal to what? Secant theta. Root of secant square theta minus 1. No more confusion. Secant again pair. Tan. Tan square theta. Root of tan square theta is what? That's it. Okay.